Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply iOS Launcher on this Samsung. Begin by opening Play Store and tapping on the search bar. Now type in iOS Launcher. After that, you need to install this free app from this developer, and when your app is ready, open it. Now choose while using the app in the pop-up, select Allow in the other ones, and finally swipe up from the bottom of your screen. Then click on Home button. After that, you need to access Settings, scroll down and access Apps section. Then click on Choose Default Apps, tap on Home app, and select iOS Launcher by clicking on it. Lastly, tap on Got It, and as you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my Samsung. If you wish to switch between your layouts, you need to access exactly the same settings and tap on your default launcher or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!